Hi YouTube, this is Jamil and welcome to my channel for PSG Planet. In this video tutorial we'll learn how to create a rain effect in Photoshop. So let's get started first. Unlock this layer. Okay. Now create a new layer. Fill layer with black color. Fill. Select black color. Press OK. So now create and go to filter and add noise. Amount is 23. In distribution, check Gaussian and monochromatic. So click OK and edit, transform, scale, increase the scale as 3000. Yes, 300. Increase the scale as 300 and control enter to OK. Now normal to sequence and convert this layer to smart object. Convert to smart object. Now go to filter and blur, add motion blur and motion blur. So you can angle 47, 1 minute, 40, 65. That's it. Angle is 65 and distance is 19. $25 is good, I think. Click OK. Okay, now you can rearrange motion blur if you need. That's good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel Free PSG Planet and press the bell icon to get video update first. Thank you.